Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.